You know, the first big snowstorm of the year always seems to catch me off guard. I mean, it's October 9th. I feel like that first snow reminds me that winter's on its way. And, you know, sometimes in Montana, winters can be pretty long. It also reminds me of the things that I haven't accomplished yet, like getting the sprinklers blown out and finding all of our snow gear and getting new boots and new coats if needed. We kind of had to cobble things together today, and it felt like a burden. It made me kind of weary. We don't have youth group tonight because, well, even though the snow's lightened up, it's still snowing. Even though the streets are relatively clear, it's supposed to get colder and colder, and they're going to get icy and slick. And all these things make it difficult to feel ready for what's to come. So this month at youth group, we're talking about the third commandment. Remember the Sabbath day by keeping it holy. And we've been talking about what that means for us as Christians, as followers of Jesus. And tonight we were going to talk about rest. We were going to discuss what it means for us as Christians to rest in the Lord. And not just that physical rest that we have, but the spiritual rest we receive through the forgiveness of Jesus through his death on the cross. But since we can't meet tonight, here's a reminder for you from Matthew 11. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. So often, the things that burden us in this life are a lot like this first snowstorm of the year. They catch us off guard. They feel like the beginning of something wearying, something burdensome, something that will be more and more and more difficult as time goes by. But we're reminded through those words that when we trust in the Lord and when we trust in his promises, he gives us that spiritual rest of forgiveness and love and care. I hope that made sense. I won't really know until I have an opportunity later tonight to edit this for you. But, you know, there is someone here who doesn't seem to care too much about the snow, even if it's really bugging me right now. Rosie? Rosie, come on. Can't get excited about a puppy. I don't know what will excite you. All right. Gotta go shovel. See you next week. Stay warm, stay dry, stay safe.